American School of Flower Design, state your name.
Malena.
How was your week?
Oh, it was wonderful.
What'd you learn?
I created so many pieces. I was not expecting to get so much out of this wonderful class.
You did well.
I did a lot of different techniques, a lot of different arrangements, a lot of different occasions. I learned also the mechanics of it, the economics of it.
You did 20 some different designs this week. Stick to those. The minute you start throwing flowers together, you're going to lose what you learned and it's going to get ugly. Here's her final project, her wedding piece. Pick up your bouquet. I love your little cascade she made. Very pretty. What do you plan on doing with your talents?
I plan on opening a business online and selling my flowers for big events.
She's very good.
Thank you.
Tell us about these.
So
That's pretty.
these
Looks
are
good on
my
camera.
wedding
Pick that one
ensemble.
up.
Yep.
This is her wedding. There's your bouquet. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Nice centerpiece. I like it a lot. And your third piece is
bridal party bouquet.
Bridal party bouquet. Yeah. How hard was school this week?
I wouldn't say it was hard. It was fun, and it was interesting and creative.
Tell us about your pieces.
Well, I made a bridal bouquet and a table centerpiece for the wedding, or a wedding.
There's the angle right there. I told you sort of a prairie look. There's something about a field and stream to her work. She blends a lot of stuff together. Pick up that bouquet. Let's see it. Give it a twirl. Yeah, I love it. Give it some more spin. Your work doesn't photograph as good as it looks in real life, because I think because you have so many textures in it. It's much prettier. So if you like this, believe me, it's much prettier in real life. What are your plans to do with your
Well, my name
talent?
is Zita, and I plan to do like a home-based floral design for events, weddings, special occasions, but I'm thinking like events and
Do you have a name of your company?
I do. It's Flowers by Zita.
There it is. When and what area?
Rhode Island?
Rhode Island.
Johnston, well, Rhode Island.
And do you have a name of your company?
It's going to be Flowers by Malena.
Flowers by Malena. Perfect. Do you have a favorite bouquet of the week?
Probably the Biedermeier.
The Biedermeier. Yeah, third one we did.
Biedermeier English design as well.
Biedermeier and my design. This is called the Zita.
The Zita. This is beautiful. There's the angle of photographs right there. Flowerschool101.com. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
Live from
You're welcome.
Boston. Keep blooming.